Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Guys, this week has been massive and a very euphoric kind of a breakout that we have seen. We were talking about market is in a consolidation in a sideways zone and one important resistance we had identified, and once the market, we were expecting the market to break down below the resistance, but in a sideways trend, whatever the trend is prevailing, that actually continues. So in that context, there's a huge inflow of FII funds and the market is now sitting at all-time high. So in our Wednesday's episode, Wednesday's mid-market, mid-week analysis, we had categorically suggested that the support of 43,600 is being held, and this support should take Bank Nifty to a new all-time high. This was partially also with the expectation that the quarterly close was around the corner, and by taking all these hints or smaller clues, by gathering, connecting all these dots, we could identify that it is not going to correct any further. So even right now, if I take a look at the chart of Nifty and Bank Nifty, so there was a target for Nifty which was 18,812. That was the third target of the entire rally from 27th of March onwards, and right now we are sitting as 19,189. During this phase we also made a high of 19191, so that is also one of the important aspect. Eventually the price took over that high and it made a high of 19,200 odd. So what do we expect from here? That is something that we need to understand. And also for Bank Nifty, where the second target of 44,661, this target got completed. So this is one important target. We are above this level now. So if at all, if there is a profit booking, what should be our target? And if at all there is no profit booking and it continues the uptrend, the momentum, then what should be our target? These are the two possible scenarios we are going to look into this short video. Strangely, in last 3 to 4 weeks, I'm seeing that the YouTube algorithm is not working as flawlessly especially for this account growth module. So I would recommend, if you like the video, do share with your like-minded friends and also subscribe to this growth module channel. Thank you so much. So let's go to Nifty. Now on a Nifty, we had calculated this target of 19,066 during a mid-week analysis, and this target got completed. Yesterday this target got completed, and right now we are sitting at a 19,200 odd level, right? So made a high of 19,201. At this point in time, what we need to understand is that if we take into account the previous trend, see what is happening right now. We were into a consolidated manner, consolidation, sideways kind of a market, and this sideways kind of a market usually breaks out in the direction of the ongoing trend. So ongoing trend was an uptrend. So as a result, we have plotted a Fibonacci tool over here, and by that we are getting a target of, the next target is of 19,301. This is going to be another target. So 19,300 is one more target that we are expecting. At this point in time, if we take a look, what are the future targets? So there is another target of 19,560. But most importantly, at this point in time, I'm not very aggressive with my trades. There are no positional trades that I'm carrying at this point in time. Whatever the trades are, they are in form of intraday trades. For a very simple point of view, if at all we see some kind of a profit booking from these zones, then don't expect a huge fall. There won't be any huge fall. Just expect that the market will again come back probably to the level, to this high, to retest this level. Okay, so I'll just remove all the remaining lines. Just keep it simple. The chart should be simple for us to see. Now this was one level. We were always talking about this level of 18,525. If this level is broken, then we would see a bearish trend. See, understand this support level or whatever important level that we talk about in our technical analysis will always hold a power wherein you will not get a reversal till those important critical levels are broken. What I'm observing over from the period from this March ending or maybe April beginning in this uptrend is that once price sustained above 18,000, it has seldomly crossed below 18,000 level. So even if at this point in time, if there is a correction, during that correction, don't expect market to go below 18,000. Rather, even 18,500 should be sustained is what my opinion is. So in this current sideways action as well, the 18,525 level is sustained. So that level will still hold a very important ground. And if at all this level is being held, we will keep on inching towards higher levels is what the expectation is. Now at this point in time, let me remove these additional lines. So this is a bullish target. Let me remove this as well. Also this. Okay. So currently we are talking about 19,300 as one of the target and 19,565 is another target. See, during market trends, it is very well possible that there can be some kind of a profit booking, but then that profit booking should ideally halt at around 18,800 odd level only. Okay, this is how it should ideally happen. And if at all that 18,800 is broken, then we can look for something below 18,500 odd level that way. But because we have got a very euphoric kind of a move, there is a great deal of possibility that 19,300 can be completed in a jiffy, and then some profit booking is possible. So a mixed kind of a expectation here at this point in time. So ideally there won't be any positional trades for me, but I will prefer to trade intraday basis. As for Bank Nifty, if we take a look, so for Bank Nifty we have completed this target of 44,738. The two targets that were shared on Wednesday's mid-week analysis, 44,232 and 44,473. All these targets are completed now. I'll just remove this. And I'll also remove this clutter in between. Okay, so these levels are maintained now. At this point in time, very important aspect, if you take a look, this is the zone that we were in a sideways kind of a phase, right? So if at all you need to calculate target for an uptrend, the simplest or easiest way to calculate these targets is by simply taking a clue from this rectangle. How do we do that? So this is again, now this 43,900 is going to be an important support. I'll take it to the right so that it will be visible. Perfect. I'll remove this 44,600. Now it is conquered, so I'll remove this. Even I'll remove this 44,500. Yeah. So now we have this range bound period which was there for Bank Nifty. So how this range bound period or how this sideways action is actually helpful to us. If I just clone this and place it on the top of the current level, so then my target comes to around 45,600 odd level. So 45,500 can be one of the target. This is going to be a target for this range. So whatever range bound market was there, this will be the target of this particular pattern. And 44,500. So first target for me will be 45,100. Okay, 44,100 is going to be my first target. So first target for Bank Nifty will be 45,100. And if at all there is a retracement, then again this 43,900 will come into support. So this is how we are going to look for it. The first target is 45,100. Second target can be 45,600. Most importantly, again, most important aspect. So second target is 45,600. Okay, so these are my two targets for now. See guys, we are on 1st of July. So this is a new quarter beginning, new month is beginning here. So at this point in time, first 15 days will be crucial. Everyone is aware that there will be a SAP for this particular second half of this year. And this SAP will guide us for the next 6 months. So I'm expecting some kind of a profit booking in first 7 to 8 days. Market should come to a level ground and then the SAP would come. And after SAP, if we crosses above SAP, then it will be a good euphoric kind of an uptrend. But when we talk about a critical support or a critical resistance level, just observe this level on a closing basis. And if these levels are not taken out on the closing basis, then they can do wonders. I mean, the support of this 43,900 or 18,525 for Nifty, these have worked wonders. And without keeping any bias for a bullish or a bearish trend, if we just follow these levels, if we just follow the clues from the price, whatever we are seeing, this will give us a very realistic or a holistic approach, and where we will be able to be aligned with the main trend of the market. So understand this thing and apply this in your day-to-day trading. Chalo guys, thank you so much. That's it from me for this week. I'm signing off. Bye-bye.